Okay, so this is my favorite study Bible, and the truth is we're going to give one of these away to one of you. Stick around to the end to learn how you can win this one. And so here we go. We're going to start reviewing this. This Bible, I was at church this last week, and my brother Jonah, who's on our Whole Mind Coffee, he came up to me and he showed me this Bible, and he said that he just picked one up. And he told me the price that it was at, and it blew me away. Now, last time I made a video on this Bible, I saved telling the people what the Bible was until the end, and I got so many angry comments. People said, just tell us what the Bible is. So I'm going to tell you what the Bible is before we get into it. The Bible is the open Bible, but they're running a deal right now. And when I looked at it, there was only 11 left. And so if you want to jump in and grab it, down below there's a link. You can go grab it if you already know what the open Bible's like. Pick this up before it's gone, because this is not the hardcover that I had before. This is not even the leather soft, which is like their fake leather one, which is usually 70 or 80 bucks. This is the Bible that's usually over $100. It's genuine leather. This one will last you quite some time. And this one right now is only $50-something. Like guys, if you're gonna get this, go and get it right now. But let me tell you some of the things that I love about this Bible. So over here, I'm gonna start talking about it. Maybe I'll shoot some B-roll so you can see it. One of the best things about this Bible are the introductions to the different books. If you've looked at my video on how to study the Bible, we have a 5-step process on how to study the Bible. And step number 1 is jump in the time machine. With this Bible, you can jump in the time machine and learn exactly what you need to know about that book in the historical settings. I mean, if you look at it, it says the book of Ruth, and it gives you an overview. Then it talks about the author of Ruth, and you get to see who wrote this book, the time of Ruth, Christ in Ruth. You get to see where is Jesus in the book of Ruth. You get to see keys to Ruth, and it talks about the key verses, the key words, the key chapters, and then it gives you a nice survey of Ruth. And so you can, before you dive in, get a good wide picture. And so when you step back, you see the whole picture, and then you can dive in and see where things fit. And so we have that, and then it gives you an outline, which is always helpful. And so I love that. That's so key to being able to jump in the time machine before you get into the book itself. So we've got that, but that's not all. If you start reading the text, the one thing I love about it is, I'm just gonna show you right here. Let me see if it can stop tracking my face for a second. If you look here, there's not a lot of notes. There are some notes, but it's not a lot. And as you look into the text, you'll see that there are some numbers next to some of the words, and there are some letters next to some of the words. The letters next to the words helps you have cross-references. So if you want to track a theme throughout the Bible, those letters are going to help you. But the numbers act as like a dictionary. So I like to use the King James. We have a video on why on our channel. You can go and watch that. But there are some words in the King James that are hard and you don't understand quite what it means, maybe off the top of your head. Right there, you can look at the number next to that word, go into the middle, and it will define that word for you. So delicious, so scrumptious. I love it. It's great. But not only does it have that, in the front of the Bible, there is something that is called the Topical Index. And what this does is it's more than just a normal concordance. This breaks it down into topics. And so if you want to study a specific topic in the Bible, this is great. You can look right here and you can look at, foolish. You can look at foolish and it'll break it down to the clamorous woman, building on sand, the 5 virgins. You can look at the foolish Galatians, the foolish Gentiles, the Pharisees, the foolish heart, the foolish things. And you can look at this and you can start to do a topical study just from the front of the Bible, and it will link you to different places to go to study that topic. But that's not all. I feel like a salesman right now, but that's not all. That's not all. In the middle of the Bible, I love this intertestamental place right here. It's got maps, but I love the timeline over the top as it breaks down the timeline of the world and where things fit in. And so you can see where the Iliad was written, but you can also see when the Jews were in exile and which books were written during which time. And it's just so good. And that's not everything, friends. There's so much in the back. I mean, you can look at the harmony of the Gospels. You can look at the Apocrypha and how that worked. You can look at the prophecies fulfilled of Jesus Christ. You can look at so many different things. The Sadducees, who were they? How did they arise? How did that all happen? That's all in this book, and it's beautifully done. I mean, this genuine leather, delicious. And so this is a Bible. If you're looking for a study Bible, pick this one up. I'm just telling you. And if you can't afford the $50 one, they do have cheaper ones. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them on christianbook.com. just pick one up. This is kind of the cover right here if you want to see that. So we're going to give this very one away, the one I'm holding in my hands. It's got these nice 3 ribbons, genuine leather. We're going to give this one away, and here's how you enter. You got to hit the like button. You got to be a subscriber, and then I want you to leave a comment down below. Anything. If you want to comment about what you like about the Bible, if you want to comment why you need the Bible, I'm going to be looking through the comments over these next few months, and we're going to give this one away. I'm going to announce the winner on Christmas Day. So on Christmas Day, I'm going to announce who wins this one, and so subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and we're going to be doing this for the next couple months on all of our videos. Hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, comment on the videos, and I'm going to be looking through the comments, and I'm going to choose somebody and announce that on Christmas Day, and we'll send this right to you. And so if you haven't already, hit, and we'll see you later.